Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's learn to fill out a Walmart money order step by step and to complete it correctly. So here's a full tutorial on it. Step 1, you need to write the recipient's name on the pay to order off line. Locate the very first line on the money order, which is typically labeled pay to the order of or pay to. Write the exact legal name of the individual person or business entity receiving the money. Spell the name completely out and avoid using vague acronyms or nicknames, as banks will reject the document during the deposit process if the name is unclear. Step 2, add your full legal name to the purchaser field. Find the line labeled as purchaser, signer for drawer or from. Print your first and last name clearly in this box. Ensure you do not sign your name on the specific line, as this field is strictly meant for identifying who purchased the funds. Step 3, fill in your current mailing address. Locate the sections labeled as address or purchaser's address directly below your printed name. Write your complete current mailing address, including your apartment number, city, state, and zip code. Provide an accurate address so that MoneyGram can safely mail any refund checks to you if the money order is ever lost or stolen before the delivery. Step 4, add the recipient's details or account reference. Look for a line labeled as payee address or memo if your specific MoneyGram print layout includes it. Write the recipient's address or insert an account reference number, such as a utility account code or rent invoice number. Use the space to ensure the receiving business routes the payment to your specific customer profile correctly. Step 5, securely sign the front of the money order. Locate the specific line on the front interface that says purchaser signature or signer for drawer. Write your official legal signature inside this designated block to legally authorize the cash instrument. Also, there's a warning: you cannot leave the entire back section of the money order completely blank. The lines on the reverse side under "Endorse Here" are strictly reserved for the recipient to sign when they cash the document. Step 6, detach and shape the recipient stub. Carefully tear along the perforated edge on the left or top side of the document to separate the paper receipt stub from the main money order. Store the stub in a secure location alongside your original Walmart checkout register receipt. Keep Store the stub in a secure location alongside your original Walmart checkout register receipt. Then keep the 11-digit serial number printed on the stub, as this code is mandatory if you need to track the payment status online or file a formal refund claim for a lost item. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.